So what we've got going on here today is the slope traverse program in the David Jett book using our HP35s calculator. We're going to be using the David Jett book, like I said, that way everyone can follow along and have a good reference source. So to start off with, we're going to do the execute S, enter. It's going to run through here, blah, 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 blah. It's going to ask to enter the point number. We're going to go ahead and enter 1, run stop. And then it's going to ask us for the O, which is the input, the elevation for the occupied point. We're going to find our elevation. It's labeled up here. So we're going to do 100.00. Going to go ahead and hit run stop. It's going to ask us to measure up. What it's doing when it asks us to measure up is it's actually asking us for the elevation of our instrument here, or the height of it. So you can see I've already worked through it again, so I'm going to go ahead and hit run stop. It's going to ask for our zenith angle. Our zenith angle is this angle that's turned right here, and it's going to be 50.3045. I'm going to do run stop. And then it's going to ask for our slope distance. Our slope distance is going to be this line right here. So we're going to go ahead and flip the page. We're going to do 362.26, hit run stop. Then we have our rod height. Previously on the page, our rod height was 5, so we're going to put in 5, run stop. Now it's asking for our horizontal distance. The distance that this is going to display is the distance between the 2 points. So you should come off to 279.5790, which if you round that up, that's going to be the 279.58 in the book right here, which is fine. We're going to go ahead and hit run stop. And then we get our foresight to the point elevation, which should line up pretty close to this. The 0247, of course, shines down to the 02. So we're going to hit run stop again. It's going to ask for the bearing traverse. We're not going to do it. We're going to hit run stop. It's going to ask if we want to move up. So we do want to move up, and by saying yes, we're going to hit 1. So we hit 1, run stop, and we basically start the program all over again. So to continue, we're going to go ahead and enter our point number, or normally we would if you want to save it, but we're not going to today. So we're going to hit run stop. What elevation are we occupying? So we've got the 331.0247 from the last time we went through it. And then we're going to go ahead and hit run stop. It's going to ask us for our height of our instrument. This time it's going to be 5.57, run stop. Our zenith angle is going to be this angle right here. So we're going to do 109.4430. Then we're going to do run stop. Our slope distance is going to be right here, sort of like the previous drawing. So we've got 224.11, run stop. It's asking for our ride height, and it's going to be 5 feet, so we're going to keep it the same. Running our horizontal distance, it is going to be 210.9380. We're going to go ahead and round it up to the 94, just like it is here in the book. We're going to go ahead and keep going. And we've got our foresight to the point elevation, which is 255.8949. Again, round it down, so it's just like here in the book. And like so before, we're just going to skip the bearing traverse. Skip, move up. Yes, we want to run up. And really, that's all there is to it. You just keep repeating the process, till you run through your slope traverse. And that's the ins and outs of it.